When you start a home business, the first question that probably comes to mind is, how will I ever build my business to earn money and become financially free? With any home business, financial freedom doesn't just happen overnight. Whether you're selling products from your own warehouse or factory, selling e-books written by you or reselling, or offering a valuable service, there are some home business musts for success. Research, research, research. If you don't have a product or service to offer, you can always opt for a ready-made home business. A ready-made home business is one that is set up by another individual or company in which you are trained to sell their products to others. Before delving into a ready-made home business, research many opportunities to find out what types of products and services you will be able to offer to your clients. Don't jump on every bandwagon you see. Read what each business opportunity has to offer and compare value-added services with the investment required. Find out what's involved to join, promote, and continue with the business. Try to find a home business opportunity that you feel comfortable with and will enjoy doing for a long time. If you enjoy your business, you're more likely to succeed and realize financial freedom. Choose a home business that fits your personality. Not every home business type will be right for you. Choose one that fits your personality. If you enjoy sales and are very good at it, then choose a home business that allows you to interact with others by phone, email, or face-to-face. The business might include direct sales to the end consumer, business-to-business sales, or networking to help others realize financial freedom. If you would rather promote online and do your own thing without much interaction, then start a home business that allows you to do this. If you prefer to sign on with another company to promote their products or services, find out if they will close the sales for you. If they will do this, you can have freedom to promote and build the business doing what you love the most. Work diligently from home. Once you decide on the type of business, it's time to work. Put your best foot forward when starting a home business. Don't assume that working from home will be easy. To have a real business, you must really work at it. Create a business plan and set realistic goals to earn money and achieve financial freedom over a period of time. Then spend much time finding ways to promote your business for real results. Beware of promotional companies that sound too good to be true. There are some very dependable promotional companies, but there are also many scams. Research a company before paying into their programs. Look for companies that have been around a while and have a good reputation. Ask around in discussion forums related to your type of business for advice and resources on promotion. Create a steady cash system. Once you promote your home business a while and start getting sales, determine what you'll need to do to create a steady cash system for the future. Find ways to maximize your efforts. Create more content for your website that will attract additional search engine traffic. Start an e-zine electronic newsletter to gain repeat visitors to your website. Add more products or services to get repeat business. These will help you continue in success for the long run. Your income will be steady and you'll be able to make money from home on a full-time basis. Continuing education. Learn all you can about your business and products. If you're selling ebooks that were written by others, read as many of them as you can so you'll know the quality and details of the items you are selling. If offering a service, learn how to offer the best service possible. You can easily order home study courses to help you learn new trades or improve on your skills. The more you know about your business and products, the better you'll be able to promote them and assist your customers when they have questions. If you follow these simple steps, you'll be able to start a home business that brings you satisfaction each day. Financial freedom is sure to follow.